In a world obsessed with instant results and lightning-fast speed, we often forget that the most meaningful things in life require a different kind of pace. Watch these hands. There is no rushing here. Every slice, every wash, every movement is deliberate. This is what psychologists call a flow state, a mental zone where you are fully immersed in a feeling of energized focus. When you treat the smallest tasks, like preparing a meal, with this level of respect, you aren't just cooking, you are practicing mindfulness. You are training your brain to find peace in the process rather than anxiously waiting for the outcome. But the process isn't always comfortable. Sometimes you have to step out of your warm comfort zone and into the cold. Look at this harvest. The ground is frozen, the air is biting, and the work is heavy. In life, we often want the harvest without the winter. We want the success without the struggle. But nature teaches us a different lesson. It is the cold that makes the cabbage crisp and sweet. It is the resistance in your own life, the challenges, the frozen mornings, the difficult tasks that builds your character. Without the friction of the cold, you cannot appreciate the warmth that follows. Entering the sanctuary of home after hard work triggers a powerful psychological response. It creates a contrast effect. Happiness, you see, is often relative. The warmth of the room feels infinite only because you have known the cold. Sharing this simple pancake isn't just about calories, it is about connection. Human beings are evolutionarily wired to share food. It signals safety, trust, and belonging. Now observe the preparation of the kimchi. This is a masterclass in the concept of delayed gratitude. In modern society, we are conditioned to seek dopamine hits immediately. One click, one notification, one fast food meal. But this process is different. It involves washing, salting, and waiting. It requires labor today for a reward that might not come for weeks or months. The act of making kimchi is an investment in your future self. It teaches us that good things do not happen overnight. They require preparation, patience, and the right environment to mature. Notice the mixing of the ingredients. You have the spice, the garlic, the salt. Individually, they can be overpowering or harsh, but when combined and massaged into the leaves, they create something complex and beautiful. Your life is the same. You have had bitter days, salty tears, and fiery moments of anger. Do not reject them. Mix them into your experience. They are the ingredients that make your personality rich, resilient, and flavorful. And finally, we arrive at the reward. The grill is hot, the meat is sizzling, and the family is gathered. This is the culmination of all that effort. But notice something important. The joy here isn't found in a screen or a bank account. It is found in presence. It is found in the simple act of wrapping food and feeding those you love. We often think we need to achieve massive, world-changing goals to be happy, but the educational truth here is that sustainable happiness is built on these micro moments. It is built on the pride of a hard day's work, the patience to let things grow, and the gratitude for the meal in front of you. So as you go through your own week, remember this: embrace the cold, trust the slow process, and never forget to share your harvest. This is the recipe for a life well lived.